Alright, wait. Okay, so
This is that last mission we were on, right?
wait.
Why?
I gotta okay, there you go. I couldn't hear anything.
I don't think just plan yourself in that man.
Wait.
Dude,
Ah, fuck, we're gonna fail. We're
you're
gonna
gonna
fail.
die.
Wait.
What am I waiting for?
Wait.
Dude, tripping on right now.
Over here, come on.
Wait, pause it.
Wait. Wait. Oh.
Fly like a drug dude, man.
Oh, snap, wait.
What's wrong with your driving skills? Drunk, man.
Wait, come on, hurry up. You gotta drop the mic.
I can't.
Wait.
Shooting at the
Wait.
devil. Take one today, man.
Where are they at?
I don't fucking know. Where are you?
Wait. Hey, I wonder if we can do a backflip. Nah, wait, never mind. I don't want to
Can't
try.
do a backflip in a helicopter, friends.
Okay.
Look, you try to do a backflip in a helicopter.
I don't know. Maybe some universe it's possible. You don't see him right there.
Where? Hey? Like, there's a murder.
Oh,
Dude, what the fuck?
wait. Not yet. I'm not ready for that. Wait.
Bitch.
Oh!
To the left.
No!
This is the second time. Look, you guys exactly.
No, man, wait. Nah, man, come on, man. You're fucking up, dude. Come on. What the fuck? Take this seriously, dude.
You're the one who's driving the drunk, dude.
Alright, you want to pilot?
Hell no, I don't want to. I'll fucking crash every time.
Alright, fuck it. We'll just, alright, for reals now.
Alright, this is
For
for
reals.
real now. Don't drive like a drunk.
Alright, here we go.
Alright, go. Ah, fuck. That's what you're-
Alright.
Ah, fuck. Wait, I'm the pilot now.
Ah, shit.
Fuck.
Alright, you're just gonna have to try, Johnny.
Okay, how do you do it? Oh my God.
No.
Okay.
Hey, this is your first time flying.
Ah.
Ah!
I didn't even do this. I was scared. What the fuck is going on? How do you do this shit?
Dude, go forward.
I'm trying. I don't even know how to do it, man. All I did was like go up and backwards. Oh shit.
Hey, say all the servers are down.